This is the custom floor I built for my Sienna camper conversion. It works as the foundation for all my camper modules, lets me safely secure the cabinets, and is waterproof and easy to clean thanks to the vinyl planks installed in the walking area. Stay with me and I'll show you how all the parts and components come together. I removed my camping setup for the winter, and before reinstalling everything for the new camping season, I added a fresh clear coat to the floor sections exposed to sunlight and potential water leaks. The subfloor is made from 5/8" plywood, with custom cutouts to fit around the seat hardware. First, I attach the steel angle profiles to the subfloor. These work as strong anchor points to safely secure my camper cabinets. I have M8 T-nuts installed on the back of the subfloor, and I use M8 bolts to fasten the profiles. Next, I place the washers that will later be hidden underneath the vinyl planks. The anchor bolts will go through these points to secure the entire floor assembly to the van frame. Now it's time to install the vinyl planks. I start from the right side and continue toward the left, with each row clicking into the previous one and creating a waterproof surface. This is a floating floor design, so the vinyl planks are not glued to the plywood underneath. Once all the planks are installed, it's time to add the edge covers. I made them from aluminum stair edge trim, which I cut and shaped to follow the outline of the subfloor. The trim is attached to the sides using small screws. It is important to leave a small gap around the vinyl planks. This allows the material to expand and contract with temperature changes without causing problems later. The right edge is finished, so now let's complete the left side. This side has an additional opening for my electrical module, which will be installed on top of the floor later. Let's also attach the aluminum angles that will work as mounting points for this electrical unit. Before moving everything into the van, let's test fit the unit to make sure there are no surprises later. Looks like I need to adjust the position of the angle profile slightly to get a tighter fit and remove this small gap. Now it's time to move the completed floor assembly into the minivan. It will be secured using 8 anchor points located at the ends of the original seat rails, where I already installed M8 T-nuts. Now carefully slide the floor into the van while making sure not to accidentally hit the ceiling, doors, or interior panels. The front section of the floor is secured with regular bolts. For the rear section, I use eye-bolts instead. This gives me extra attachment points where I can connect bungee cords and secure additional cargo when needed. To prevent the eye-bolts from pressing down on the vinyl planks and stopping the floating floor movement, I use special spacer nuts. This raises the washer slightly so it locks the floor in place without squeezing the vinyl. And here it is, my custom waterproof Sienna camper floor. Strong, removable, easy to clean, and ready for another season of summer camping adventures.